15 days left till Nitesh's flight. Just look at the happiness on his face. And a little more days for myself. So we are going to कहाँ जा रहे हैं हम? Where are we going? So we have already bought all the gifts for our friends and family except for my niece. So we are going to a toy store and a clothing store to buy something. I hope we get something good. And then of course, since we are going from UK, it has to be chocolate, so we are going to buy some chocolates as well.
So we're back to Smith's. There are loads and loads of toys. It gets very confusing which one to pick. And these as well. And I have to stop my temptation to not buy these things. So we got this, and this. And she also. Now we're going to next to buy some clothes. Look at this cool varsity jacket. Next has got some cool stuff. Now they have updated it with autumn collection. Look at these cute aesthetic clothes for little girls. You like this play suit and we're looking for this top. No, but the heart one is
5 to 6.
I like this one.
No. There's a size available. Let's look for more.
At least one thing is fine. Buy anything from home section, but still, here we are, exploring stuff. Yeah, just planning for whenever we want to buy. There she is looking for things which we do not need for at least a couple of months. And here I am, just walking. Planning for future. This looks nice for entryway. Yeah, this was what we were also discussing earlier. Next has some good looking products and the quality also looks nice. So we are done shopping both the gifts as well as clothes. Now,
Found some good pieces.
I think next like little boys collection are super great. Like very fancy,
Very
classy.
chic.
Yeah. Now we're going to Tesco to collect some chocolates and then we'll go back home and hopefully we'll start with packing.
Hi everyone. So we are going to India after a year and a half. I thought she was supposed to say something, but yeah, that's fine.
It's been a long time. More than 1.5 years. And it'll be my first time going to India after such a long time.
Yeah, it definitely feels like, it does feel like a very long time. We did go to India in 2024 March, but just for a week to attend our friend's wedding.
Yeah, it was just for 5 days.
Yeah.
That
And
doesn't count.
and those 5 days were super busy, like traveling, going from here and there, and just it went away so quickly. So this is like after a huge period of time, it does feel like that. After our wedding that we're going back home, and I'm going this Friday and I'm going there for 4 weeks. She'll join.
Yeah, I'm going a week later and I'll be there for 3 weeks. And then we are coming back together in November.
Yes, and we are coming
And then
in.
we are coming back in start of November.
Yes, but at least before I board on my flight, we need to pack our stuff. And since I'm the one who's going early, I have to carry all the gifts. We do not want to disclose all the gifts in this video, but we still want to pack everything up so that when I'm there, I have something for everyone. The challenge slightly here is, now Air India has reduced its baggage policy, which we did not consider at the time of buying gifts. And now,
Now we have huge boxes of gifts. We apparently have to ditch the boxes, of course, fit everything.
yeah,
I'm not even sure if we will be able to fit everything. But yeah, we'll see. We can try.
yeah,
Some things have to go in the box because of safety.
yeah. So now we got both of us individually, but we've got one big full-on check-in baggage and only one carry-on. So we will just pack one carry-on, one check-in, and if there will be anything left, Ria will pick it up in her luggage.
And of course, I'll have to because there's lots to pack.
So yeah, let's start on that. So the first one and the most important one is this gift. This one is a wedding gift for the friends who we
Visited last March.
Yeah, so for the friends who visited last March, but this came in late and we didn't go to India after that. So we need to carry this one now. And this is a Marshall speaker, which we cannot put in a check-in bag.
Although I'm tempting it to keep it. for myself.
Let's just not. Yeah. So this is.
The thing is, we can't keep it in the check-in bag. We have to take it in our cabin luggage. The check-in bags doesn't get handled very with sensitivity.
So this is the speaker that we bought for them. We liked it ourselves a lot
I think
as well.
we went for the classic black color.
Yeah. Just so that fits the space. We'll buy one for ourselves as well in future.
Yeah.
But right now the main task is to take it home safely. So let's see, figure it out. I think it will fit in the cabin bag, but it's just to make sure it's all safe and nothing else can go in after that. So let's do it. This is the issue we were worried about. So obviously in terms of length, it's fine, but width-wise, it's gonna cause an issue. But I think I would carry probably a handbag or something because it's not that heavy and I can just keep that as my check-in bag. Let's see, let's figure it out. But this was one of the worry and it's an actual problem.
It remains a stock.
But we will find some solution and maybe something that will be beneficial for you if you're also planning to carry something like that. So we have this bag which I got when I was moving to UK for the first time and it was only used then. So let's try if it fits in. If it will fit here, I would also be able to carry anything else, example my tech stuff. It's just not heavy, like, see?
It's not heavy, it's just the size of it.
There's no point of carrying it without the box. A, it's for protection. B, it's also a gift, so it won't look good if you just take the speaker only. I think then the last bet is the carry bag. It won't be great.
The brown bag would have been perfect actually.
Which one?
The one we had.
Yeah, when we donated.
We had one bag, one soft closure bag. We got rid of it.
Thought we would never need that again. So right we were. I don't want to carry it in an Asda or Tesco bag, so probably we'll get something and I can gift that bag as well to them. So I'm just measuring the box width and length so that we can get a tote bag for it. Because we do not want to send it in the check-in. So that didn't work. We don't have any other bag that can contain that box. We will go outside.
It probably can accommodate, but yeah. This goes in check-in and we don't want to take.
But we need to still pack other things. I've got my list ready. So I've got my list ready in the Excel. I'm not carrying a lot of stuff myself. Will be just wearing and carrying few things. I've ordered. So this is how we manage our luggage situation here. All the suitcases that we use for travel to India usually would have seasonal stuff packed in when we're not using them. This one, all our long coats and jackets, which we would need anyway when we are back from India. So we have collated all the gifts that we are carrying. We can show you as well. So we got the New Balance shoes for my sister, New Balance shoes for my father as well. Got this Pull and Bear shoes for my cousin, brother. And these chocolates, not a lot, but one each.
No needs in our family.
Yeah, we got, like, they do not eat a lot of sweets, this is for brother and sister and for them to send the gifts. The other thing that we are taking for this year is dry fruits, because I think family will eat it, like even like our parents would be able to enjoy it. And then we also have another friend couple who got married in December and their wedding we couldn't attend. So we got gift for them as well.
This one is my choice. So this is my favorite perfume. And we were confused what to buy for them. So I got this one for her. And of course, one of our favorite brand of shoes for the guy.
Yeah, we use this brand a lot. And we feel like it's stylish, comfortable.
YSL Black Opium. It's in the green, illicit green.
One of our senior and close friends, they had a baby girl this year. And we are taking a toy, sort of educational toy for her. We also need to get another software, but that we will from India. This was something which we liked, and when we went to Smith's, gifts for our niece, so we thought of buying this for her as well. Oh, they're also. This is for Ria's mom. One particular L'Oreal cream, which is not quite easily available.
It's not available in India.
Yeah. And these two, this one.
These two gifts we purchased. We bought a long bag when we went to Bicester Village.
Yeah. So we went to Bicester Village and there was some good discount. So this is a DKNY bag and this is for
my bhabhi.
Yes. This one is a Swarovski pendant. To be honest, I don't even recall how it looks now. So this one we bought for my sister as well.
Yeah, it's a Swarovski pendant. Yeah.
I don't remember how it looks completely. Yeah. But yeah, this is something which we bought, and you can see it's all bubble wrapped and packed because we bought it like last year. But we didn't go, so it's still there.
There are more gifts, but pack those in my bag.
Yeah, so there are a couple of more gifts which we need to take her to Ria's home, but that we will only be going once she's there. So we don't have to pack that one in my bag, get those bags when she's packing. And as you mentioned, we are not taking a lot of our stuff, so there's enough space for gifts.
Oh, yeah, let me show you what I got for my niece.
I think the one was here. Yeah, there was one here. She likes tall. I'll let Ria tell you what things she's got, but
My niece loves dolls, so we got this pack, which is very
multiple
type of dolls.
Yes, and we also got this because we sort of like the crown and these bellies, so we got this as well. And all these toys are so Smith. We found out about Smith recently when our family came from Canada, and we just love that store. It's a huge, massive superstore just for toys. Reasonable than India, I would say, and loads and loads of variety.
The collection is too good, especially for the boys. And I've got.
Oh, we also got clothes for her, isn't it?
Yeah, we did. I've kept it somewhere, but yeah, we got some clothes for her as well.
Yeah, but these two and the clothes will go with Ria's
Bag.
pack.
My bag.
And everything else are those usual boring packing stuff, clothes, toiletries, everything else that we will quickly pack.
And we have some more dry fruit pack as well.
Because we need to go to a few relatives as well, and so we thought it's better than giving them sweets and chocolates.
Nobody eats chocolates now.
Yeah.
Everybody is very sugar conscious, so.
Yeah, so
And I don't like gifting sugar now.
except for few kids,
Yeah.
which we can't ignore, and they asked, to be honest. And the only thing which is left now to buy is baklavas, and there used to be a store near the place where we live earlier, so I will be going there someday. That I need to buy for mom, and she loves it, and also for my friend's father. All done with packing.
You're packing.
It's my flight day today, and I was still busy up until yesterday. I was working late, finishing off tasks before I go on leave. I still have a busy day, so I woke up around 6 in the morning, got ready, just finishing up my last packing bits, making sure I've got all the chargers, all the phones, and all the important stuff like passport, share code print, and everything. That's what I'm doing now. Then I'll start office around 9, and then I have just few calls for handover so that they're aware what they need to work on when I'm away. But I'm also working in 1 week from India, so it would not be too bad for them. I've made sure I've done everything, but sometimes September is usually the busy month in the year, so it's just a loads of things. I generally try to be on top of things, but if there be anything missed, then I can come back in that week and not come back, but I can work in that week and update stuff, and then I'll go on leaves again for the next 2 weeks after that. So yeah, that's the plan. My flight is at around 8:30. It's from Heathrow. Planning to leave around 3:30 or something, because it's not a very pleasant weather day today, and it'll be traffic. There's always traffic on. This is how the weather is. It's gonna be raining today, and I'm just the conservative guy who likes to be early rather than late, so I'll leave early. My plan is to wrap up everything in terms of calls work. I've already put in my out of office, and I'll leave. I booked my cab at 3. It's gonna be 35 to 40 minutes. I think there is an increase in self check-in baggage drop. So self check-in obviously used to be there, but an increase in self baggage drop facility for Air India flights at Heathrow Airport, so I'm most likely gonna be using that. It's exciting, it's slightly anxious, but I'm going alone. Andrea will join me after like 10 days or so that's a bit sad part that she's not joining me from the day one, but she got some work to finish before she comes and join me, so shouldn't be an issue. But there's always this airport anxiety, and that happens with me and Ria both. Yeah, it's also very exciting to see family and friends after a while. It's that day where everyone start texting you, what's your flight time? Obviously you would have told them what's your flight time, so that's just creates that overall vibe that you're flying today. And I was just mentioning it to someone in the office, like this is the first flight off the air. Like we didn't go anywhere because of the house buying and stuff. No plan, but still the plan. And I'm really excited to binge eat a lot of good food. I know I'll be fat and I'll be back from India, but it's just, I feel it's a fair trade if you go after these many months. I'll see you when I leave for the airport. So we're all set, but before we go, let's just quickly weigh the bag, because even though I know we have not packed a lot, but still somehow we ends up packing a lot, and the maximum weight allowance is 23 kg and that to one bag. So let's see. We are doing it the Indian Desi way, using the weighing scale. So there's the weighing scale. It's approximately 22.6 kg, which we were not expecting, as we thought we haven't packed any clothes and anything. But I think we've packed a lot of dry fruits and other gifts, and they had their own weight, which is fine. I'd say it's still below limit, but that's okay. So now I'll book a cab and we'll leave for the airport. So I've reached the airport. Now I'll just go do the check-in. There's a runway where you can see planes coming in. This is the first time I'm flying from Terminal 2, but this looks nice. So I'm done with security, check-in, bag drop, everything, and it took me 30 minutes, out of which 10 minutes I was just waiting, standing there, because I wasn't aware. So Air India has done self-check-in at this terminal, and it was fairly quick, to be honest. Now I just have only 4 hours and 30 minutes left for my flight. Probably try sleep, or maybe after a while I'll go explore something. There's an LV showroom here which looks sexy, but let's see what I will do. I am hungry as well, and there's a runway where I can see different flights taking off or being taxied. Look at the Swiss aircraft coming in, and this is how the terminal looks nice to me. And that was the LV showroom I was talking about. So it's just one leg of it. The main is from that side basically. I was hungry, flight got delayed, so I'm just having one meal at Pratt. 8 airport flights. I'm just waiting for my flight gate to show up. It will come up in 10-15 minutes, then I'll leave for it. Gate is announced now. I'm going towards the gate. Gate is B36. It's weird that it gets updated on FlightWare but not updated on the actual screen of airport. But anyway, I'm leaving based on FlightWare, and it's mostly correct. There's a 15-minute walk from where I was sitting. Kind of like the airport lighting, so it looks good. Here I am with my all excited to go to India. Reached at the gate. Currently it's quite empty because I think it's just announced. Plane is also there. There's a reflection going on, which so I think you can't see, but there's the plane that has just flown from India to here. Landed in India. All done with immigration. I'm leaving for the baggage. Waiting for my luggage to come in so that I can collect. Friends are already here to receive me. I'm going to attend a function just straight from here. So collect the bag, hop on their car. One of my friends is getting engaged today, so we'll go to that location, and then I'll go home in the evening. Got the luggage. Now going to the parking. Oh yeah. मीठा वाला देना अंकल.
10 रुपए के खत्म हो गए.
15 का कर दो.
15 के नहीं भैया, 10 के या 20 के.
30 का करो आप.
ठीक है.
अब एक्स्ट्रा अलग खड़ी है. मैं रिया को भेज रहा हूँ कि